Good day, welcome to my channel, and today I will be cooking stew peas for you guys, Jamaican style. So I am using chicken foot, pigtail in my stew peas. So this is the peas that I left to soak. So I'm going to let it pressure while the pigtail boils and the chicken foot will be pressuring as well. So I'll be using these in my stew peas. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, so I'll be boiling this pigtail for a couple minutes to burn off the excess salt and fat. And I'm going to leave the peas to pressure for about 25 minutes. Alright, guys, so this is the pigtail after boiling for about 7 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes. So the white thing you're seeing is the fat from the pigtail. So I will leave it for another 10 minutes. So guys, after about 30 minutes, this is the peas. Alright guys, so the chicken foot and the pigtail is finished. It's soft. So what I'm going to do now is to mix the coconut powder in some water and to add it to. Alright guys, everything is in the pot right now. The pigtail, coconut powder, peas. So you're going to let it simmer down. Alright guys, after about 20 minutes, this is how my stew peas look. So I just made my dumplings to put in it. So I'm going to make some roly-poly dumpling, put them in it for it to cook down.